As the second week of Shawwal unfolds, let's seize each day as an opportunity to grow closer to Allah. On the 8th day of Shawwal, increase your dua. Supplicate sincerely and seek His guidance. On the 9th day, give charity, even if it's small. Sadaqah purifies and brings countless rewards. On the 10th day, strengthen bonds with family. Reach out and reconnect, for maintaining kinship is beloved to Allah. On the 11th day, visit the sick, offer comfort, and make dua for their recovery. On the 12th day, make this a day of abundant good deeds. Let your actions reflect your faith. On the 13th day, turn to Allah in sincere repentance. He loves those who seek forgiveness. And on the 14th day of Shawwal, practice patience. Remain steadfast in faith, no matter the trials. Every day is a new chance to draw closer to Allah. Make the most of this blessed month.